how to turn on noise cancelling on JLab Earbuds in 2026. Now on JLab Earbuds, you need to understand that not all the models include the active noise cancelling feature. So you need to first of all take a look at the models like Epic Air ANC or JBuds ANC. If your earbuds don't support ANC, tapping won't enable it. So in order to basically turn on the noise cancelling, you just have to first of all place both the earbuds in your ear. After doing so, you just have to simply press and hold the touch sensor on either earbud for about 2 to 3 seconds. You will hear a voice prompt like noise cancelling or feel a change in the sound. So you need to repeat the press and hold action to switch between the ANC, be aware mode and off. This is going to let you control how much outside sound you want to hear. After doing so, simply open the JLab application on your phone. Over here, simply go to the sound settings, and here you can manually select ANC and adjust the levels. So as you can see, we have the noise control modes available. So you need to simply turn on, and then you will see this slider with the help of which you can basically make the changes into the levels. And this is going to give you more control on the supported models. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.